Well, guy, why don't you try it out for yourself?
Don't be foolish. We have to go help Naruto first.
All right, you don't have to get so upset, you know? Or are you just too afraid to step up to that waterfall and face your true self, guy?
Do you really believe that I'm scared? No problem!
You're so serious.
Honestly, you really shouldn't be going on about youth so much, should you? Come out! Show yourself! Know thy true self! What? That thing is supposed to be my true self?
Isn't that the odd beast?
That isn't your true self! Leave rock crushing square! Huh? What do you mean that wasn't my true self? You know, actually, isn't that... It is. It's a pufferfish. No, wait. Maybe it was called a porcupine fish.
They're supposed to be super tasty.
Are all of you deliberately pretending to be idiots?
Damn you, Samehara!
Hey now, your affection is a bit rough.
He's stealing your chakra!
Huh?
Hidden jutsu, stone needle! Got him!
No, he's draining my chakra instead.
Leap hurricane!
Water style, shock bomb jutsu.
He's getting away! Don't worry! 8 inner gates! 6 gate of joy open! Okay! I'm counting on you! I need to borrow your back!
Good. Looks like I managed to give them the slip. Summoning jutsu.
Water style, 1,000 hungry sharks.
Very well. Then I'll just let them all tear you apart.
7th gate of shock, open!
Water style.
Super shock bomb jutsu.
Hirudora!